Enter one of the latest smartwatch offering, the Amazfit. And hawak natin right now is the all-new Amazfit na Active 3 Premium. This is more of categorized na sa somewhere na sa mid-range. Hindi siya na sa top premium models. More or less sila T-Rex, yung mga mas more premium na model. This is more of na sa budget-friendly level, which can definitely perform for any athletes out there on a budget. So paano yan? Unbox muna natin after this quick intro. Guys, meron tayong bagong product from Amazfit, and this is the Active 3 Premium. Train, recover, and evolve. Yun ang kanyang tagline. Of course, kailangan mo ng Zepp app to be able to connect it properly sa inyong smartphone, be it Android or be it iOS. Okay? So, ito yung ano niya, tune sa gilid, yung mga certificate niya, saan namakmak. So, ano natin? Yun. So, magandang packaging this time. May manual siyang maliit. Yung kanyang charging. Yung kanyang C-port. Looks nice. Bilog siya. So, how you attach it here. Magnetic. So, the other things inside, hindi ka na nakatago. No cable inside. So, you have to provide your own cable. Yeah. So, the strap. So, ganito yung tsura ng strap niya. Perforated. Tsura ng strap niya. It's pretty nice naman. So, all you need to do is pull back this spring. Papasok mo. Okay? Let's do it here. Let's pasok natin. Pasok mo na one side. Medyo mahirap lang pag wala kang kuko. So, yeah, pasok na. So, the other one, ganun din. So, papasok mo na on one side. And the other side, ilay mo lang yung latch. Yung spring niya. May spring siya. So, on one side. Pero kung ayaw mo mahirapan, pwede mo naman tanggalin ito. So, ganito yung tsura niya. Looks nice, premium. Okay naman siya, no? Yung Active 3 Premium siya. Pero yung design niya, perforated. So, yun na, unboxing experience natin. Wala nga lang kable. Now, one of the things na napansin ko dito sa kanya, out of the box, maganda siya. Medyo premium looking naman siya. Hindi naman siya mukhang chipipay at its price point. And by the way, ito si Amazfit Active 3 Premium, ang kanyang SRP is 13,999. Pero you can get it at a lot lower price. Kasi ito right now, naka-promo siya. You can click the link on my YouTube shopping link or just simply check the links on my description box. It went as low as 7,500 pesos. Ito guys, in case di kayo naniniwala, 7.5 lang siya. Napag-usapan natin some of the key highlights dito sa watch na ito. This one has a vibrant na 1.32-inch na AMOLED display. Maximum brightness niya outdoors, 3,000 nits. So definitely wala ka problema under direct sunlight. Meron siyang stainless steel body, which is something na quite rare at this price point. And ang claim din ni Amazfit that this one has a sapphire glass na protection sa harap. So far, nasagasaan ko to for several times sa loob ng gym. So, hindi natin maiwasan na aksidente na nahawi mo yung mga bakal, mga waist, or whatever. Pero so far, tinitingnan ko, wala naman ako nakikitang scratch. So, I think this is pretty much very scratch resistance based sa aking experience. That's experience-wise. Meron siyang water-resistant grade of up to 5 ATM. Ang battery nito is 365 mAh. Meron siyang 4 gigs of RAM para pwede ka magpatugtog ng music dito when you're offline. Lalo na kung nag-workout ka, ayaw mo may katabi kang phone, pwede mong gamitin tong watch na ito. Connect mo na lang earpods mo. And my main earpods na kinonect ko sa kanya is this one, si Soundcore Liberty 5 Pro, which we would make a review pretty soon. Sila yung magka-tandem during my workout. Meron siyang 170 plus na workout mode. Meron siyang bio tracker through hypercharge. It tracks yung charge ng katawan mo, no, in percentage. Meron siyang 5 satellite na positioning system, so perfect siya if you're running outdoors. And Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, and this one can connect to your Zepp app. So you can download it sa inyong Google Play Store or sa inyong Apple App Store. Now, let's talk about yung kanyang comfort. Now, I've been wearing this for more than 3 weeks bago ko ginawa tong video na ito. And one thing na napansin ko is kinda lightweight naman siya. May perforation ang kanyang default na strap. Na probably ang gusto ko dito sa kanya is marami siyang button. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is basically customized for people na active. So mga runners, swimmers, and yung mga into sports. And another thing na nagusto ko rin sa kanya is that kahit pawis ka sa iyong workout, which I did a lot of gym workouts kasi I do workout from Monday to Saturday, except Sunday of course, talagang fully tested itong watch na ito. Most of the time, ginamit ko ang free training mode kasi nasa loob naman ng gym, medyo maulan sa Pilipinas, so I did not
try to do some outdoor running. Napag-usapan lang natin yung kanyang battery life, no? So, it always depends sa mga settings mo dito sa kanya. If you turn on basically everything, lahat ng mga health monitoring, sleep tracking, and everything down the line, itong watch na ito can probably last you for 6 to 7 days based sa aking experience. Now, if you turn off some of the other notification, yung tipong tunog na tunog yung watch mo every now and then dahil tunog na tunog yung phone mo, talaga mas mabilis maubos yung battery. Pero once na naka-turn off some of these stats na hindi masyadong importante like notification, you can turn off yung active heart monitoring mo, this one can give you a longer battery life at estimated of 12 days. Now, of course, sinasabi ko sa inyo, lagi, it depends sa user kung paano kayo gumamit, no? Per user, iba-iba ang experience, iba-iba ang pattern ng usage, so hindi siya one size fit all. Pero, based sa aking testing, if naka-turn on lahat ng stats, 7 days. Kung yung mga ibang notification or features na naka-off, roughly 12 days. Na isa sa pinaka-importante dito sa watch na ito is yung running, outdoor running. Now, which I didn't get to test kasi hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa outdoor running. And, well, medyo maulan for the past few weeks here in the Philippines. So, I'd rather do it indoor na lang. Pero based naman dito sa kinakalibrate ko, kaya naman niya outdoor kasi tinry ko maglakad ng konti on outdoors and kita naman sa GPS, no? Yung quick jog lang on outdoors, kaya naman na pakita yung positioning system mo kung gaano kalayo yung tinravel mo based sa satellite. Which is good, di ba? I mean, you keep track yung route mo, you can keep track kung yung distance run mo, and then of course, pair it with all of the statistics dito na nakuha mo, heart rate mo, yung calories burn mo. You really get a complete statistics dito sa Amazfit Active 3 Premium. Now, of course, the fun never stops sa watch. You can always check all of your stats dito sa smartphone via the Zepp app. This is basically pinaka-overview mo ng lahat ng ginawa mong activity throughout the day or even collected throughout the week and months. Meron kang sleep dito, hypercharge, and of course, exertion mo. Kitang-kita mo lahat dito, no? Training statistics mo, sleep record mo. Further down, you can see yung training record mo, yung body composition mo, yung weight mo. Pero of course, yung weight, you have to pair it with some scale to be able to work. You can see your stress levels, calories burn, and all of the other stats na gusto mo makita. Lahat nandito niyan. Now, this is something new, no? Itong hybrid charge. Pinapakita na sa'yo kung gaano ka-charge up yung katawan mo and gaano siya nagde-drain during training and paano siya mag-recover and all of the other things na medyo mas scientific konti, medyo mas mahilig ka sa mga things like biocharge and stuff like that. You can dig deeper dito sa app na ito. Now, I've been monitoring yung sleep ko, sleeping pattern ko, deep sleep ko, ilang beses ako nagising sa gabi, and I can see all of my statistics here on this watch, which is for me pretty quite accurate naman siya, more or less. And dito naman sa exertion, pinapakita na sa lahat ng mga calories burn mo, fitness journey mo throughout the whole week or just throughout the day, lahat yan naka-record naman dito on this watch. Na basically, ginamit ko to mostly sa loob ng gym. And happy naman ako sa result ko. It's telling me na, oh, you're already 10 minutes toward your training, tapos, oh, your average heart rate is ganito. More or less nalalaman mo everything na kailangan mo malaman while you're running, while you're doing your rounds, your repetitions. No? So, I am quite happy naman dito sa kanyang performance. There are other smartwatch na medyo mas mabigat dito, but this one doesn't seem to be heavy sa aking wrist. Overall, ang kanyang performance, happy ako, and I can highly recommend this one sa mga people na fitness geek, fitness gurus, fitness buff, or whatever you call it, which mahilig kayo sa mga data analysis, lahat makikita mo naman dito sa kanya. And by the way, kung hindi ka happy dito sa strap niya, you can always buy yung mga third-party na strap, like mga 20mm na strap. Ang bilis-bilis lang naman ng palitan. So, para kay nino nga ba itong Amazfit na Active 3 Premium? This is designed perfectly para sa mga people na medyo nasa budget below 10,000 pesos, which want a really good and capable na running smartwatch. This one is a easy recommend dito sa aking channel. So, if you're interested kung saan mo pwede mabili ito, I'll pop the link dyan sa description box below, or just simply click yung YouTube shopping link para ma-redirect kayo at mabili na to with my vouchers. So of course guys, in-encourage ko to like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out mga review just like this one here sa aking channel. So paano yan guys, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you on my next video. Peace out.
And so ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.